In this manner, in superclass, we define this one, define what are the essential features, that is require essential data and essential behavior. By way of methods we do that, and we create subclasses. Then job will be very easy, designing is very easy. Once you think, every time or otherwise, I tell you, you have to create SB account separately, then you have to start your thinking from the scratch. All this you have to think of individually, and again you have to think of what are the special features. Then come to CD account. CD account, there you find some different features. Suppose in SB account some interest is paid and the balance retained, and on CD account regardless of the amount they do not pay any interest on that. Like that different features are there. So, then all this you have to think of for each and every class, then it is very complex. Then your work will be more, software development time will be more and time is money, that is why cost will be more. So, this abstraction concept, if you understand the real spirit of abstraction, designing projects will be very lighter, that you have to understand. Okay. And two more examples also I give in this context, because you must register, you must incorporate this concept in your brain, and at the same time I am telling you, you must do this while you are developing projects and all that. You must develop, you must adopt the abstract way of thinking. Of course, this is not overnight job. You must first understand the spirit of that. Thereafter, you realize one day you start thinking in the same manner. Nobody become a programmer or a designer overnight. That point always you remember. So, gradually you have to understand. Now, next vehicle we take. Vehicle we take. Now, first thing is we are defining vehicle superclass. And in this, what are the common features for every vehicle, motor vehicle, we are putting it. That is data abstraction. What is that? Number of wheels, brand, capacity, price, mileage. These are commonly applicable to all types of vehicles. Thereafter, start, accelerate, brake, stop. These are also, these behaviors are equally applicable to all types of vehicles. So, when once this is ready, you have to go for a bike class. Your job is very less, because the major part of things were defined. What to do was defined, how to do is defined. How to do, what to do is very strategic, it is like a design. Then how to do, you can do that later. Your major burden of thinking is over. That is why number of n number of subclasses we can create. This is the second example. One thing I am telling you, simply if you want to explain this concept technically, you may not justify that, you may not satisfy the students or audience or interview member. So, if you take this example, this type of example, n number of examples you can get. So, start thinking this angle. Now, I got all these examples just like that while I am working. Suppose I want to write this one, ultimately I got that one, I got other one. If you want me to write another 10 examples also, I can write. It is not a great thing, but my brain is tuned up. If you want to become a programmer, you must also tune up your brain in this fashion. That point always you remember. Thereafter, shape. Shape you take, superclass you define. In shape, coordinates x and y. Y. Thereafter, dimensions. Every shape is having some dimensions. Like suppose circle is there, you have to give radius. Suppose square is there, you have to give side, and rectangle is there, you have to give length and breadth. Like that, dimensions. These are the properties. Now, come to methods, relevant methods which are required for all the types of shapes. one is draw shape, shape should be drawn, and second one is get area, area of the shape, area of the square, area of the triangle, area of the rectangle, like that. Get perimeter, that is perimeter or circumference and all that. Sometimes name confusion may be there, in some instance we call as perimeter, and some cases we call as circumference. Do not worry about that. Whenever particular case come and all that, you can resolve that. If you expect a future problems of naming, these are routine issues and all that, now you cannot focus. So, this is the thing, this is a general class, this is a super class. Then out of that, triangle, circle, rectangle, and already many times I explained to you, whenever you have to do that, EJ relation should be established. Now we see obvious, this is very obvious, SB account is a type of bank account, OD account is a type of bank account, bike is a type of vehicle, car is a type of vehicle, or otherwise better call as motor vehicle, then it will be more clear. Bike is a type of motor vehicle, car is a type of motor vehicle, bus is a type of motor vehicle. So, all shapes you take, triangle is a type of shape, circle is another type of shape. So, that should be established, that you do not forget, and easier relation should be established before you think of inheritance. And as far as composition is concerned, has a relation should be established. Just I give a briefing. Car has a AC, car has a TV. That means one object, one object takes another object as the component of it to develop a system. Understand? That is called aggregation or containment or composition. That in other context we discuss, and here you understand what is the real meaning of abstraction. Once you understand the real spirit of that, now project designing process will be much easier for you and you enjoy that thing. Otherwise, once again I am telling you, once if you do not know this principle, suppose this is, let us say this is 100 units of work, 100 units of work. Then first you perform 100 units of work. Suppose if you want to develop this 10 units, 10 units, 10 units, 10 units, let us say, we cannot quantify like that, just for example sake I am telling you. If you understand the spirit of that, now if you have to develop SB class, SB account class, 100 plus 10, 110 units are enough, 110 units are enough. Now actually once it is developed, for developing SB account only 10 units are required, and CD account 10 units, OD account 10 units, RD account 10 units, that is enough. This is already available. In most cases the superclass is available, that too freely on the web. Then you can develop this one very easily. If you know the method of overriding, then you can modify according to that. Instead of 110 units of your work, it is reduced to 10 units, 10 units. Then you can rely on that, because already it was tested by many people. Any loopholes are there, any flaws are there, they might have been rectified. So, in this manner you understand this concept, and always whenever you are developing projects, you apply this abstract way of thinking.